I was skinny, no muscle, no strength, no presence. And in 90 days, everything changed. This is exactly how I did it, step by step. Day one wasn't some crazy workout. It was simple. I stopped overthinking and just showed up. Because the truth is, most people don't fail in the gym. They fail to go to the gym. Phase one, the foundation. This phase is where most people quit. Not because it's hard, but because it's boring. I focused on full body workouts, basic compound lifts, learning proper form, no ego lifting, no random exercises. And the biggest change? I started eating more. Not junk, real food, protein every meal, calories in surplus, consistency over perfection. The scale started moving, slowly, but it was progress. Phase two, the growth. Now things got interesting. Strength started going up, push-ups felt easier, weights started increasing. I switched to upper/lower split, more volume, progressive overload. Every week, more reps, more weight, better control. And this is where most people mess up. They stop eating enough. I didn't. I treated food like training, non-negotiable. Phase three, the transformation. This is where it shows. Muscles started popping, arms filled out, chest looked fuller, posture improved, confidence changed. I moved like someone who trains. At this point, training became habit, diet became routine, progress became visible. Not perfect, but undeniable. Did I become a bodybuilder in 90 days? No, but I built visible muscle, strength, discipline, and most importantly, momentum. Forget shortcuts. This is what works. Train consistently, 3 to 5 days per week. Focus on compound lifts. Eat in a calorie surplus. Get enough protein. Sleep properly. Do this for 90 days, and you won't recognize yourself. You don't need motivation. You need a start date. Day one or one day. Your choice. Follow major muscles for real transformations.